okay is I couldn't find the Zoom pricing model for the XP product launch. Mike, you haven't heard from you on this. Mike?
Sorry, Sandra, can you repeat that?
Yeah, just a second.
The numbers last night.
Okay, the new pricing model, are you okay with it?
I'm not sure.
You have some concerns?
Possibly. I haven't been able to hear most of the discussion so far, Sandra.
Working at a distance with teams spread around the world in the past, we found audio conferencing simply to be the most problematic part of a conference call.
So current systems make certain assumptions about how audio in a meeting room is captured.
And when you're part of those calls, oftentimes the quality of those calls are a major distraction. And we're working so hard just to pay attention and just to listen to what's going on that we can't contribute effectively to the meeting.
And consequently, the experience for the remote user suffers.
With all of the problems that we had experienced with audio conferencing, we thought that it was a problem worth tackling, something where we might be able to apply a new technology approach to resolve all of the hassles and irritants.
Conventional audio conferencing systems place a microphone somewhere in the room. They don't place the microphone close to where the individual is speaking. And the aha moment that we had was, what if we could put lots of virtual microphones into a space? A digital microphone that could be very close to the individual that was speaking, and we could pick up very clearly what was being said.
So we came up with a concept of virtual microphones to fill the room and pick up sound from literally every spot in the room. For the person calling in, this means that the system has more than 8,000 microphone locations to select the best sound that represents what people in the room are hearing and present that sound to the listener so they get a natural experience just like everyone else in the room.
We also have 15,000 MIPS of processing power that you can use to run a number of signal processing algorithms, which allow us to monitor all 8,000 plus locations simultaneously and pick out the sounds of interest and focus on those.
And what that enabled us to do is to move the processing up front in the creation and simultaneous processing so we don't have to do the cleanup process afterwards.
This is very similar to how the human brain works and provides a much more natural way for the remote people calling into the meeting room to hear what is going on in that room.
The HDL300 audio system includes an integrated microphone and speaker bar that gets installed in a wall and a breakout box that can be placed in a convenient location close to the computer. The integrated microphone and speaker bar is connected to the breakout box by a single Ethernet cable for power and communication. And all the system needs is a computer with conferencing software to make the system work.
The benefit of the HDL300 conferencing system is simply one of being able to have a great experience, to be able to hear clearly what someone is saying, to be able to have a two-way interaction that just surpasses anything else that you have had to this point in time.
At Nureva, we believe that technology has the potential to enable people to work more effectively and more naturally together. With the HDL300, I firmly believe that we are a big step closer to achieving that vision.
We're really excited to introduce the HDL300 system to the audio conferencing market. We think we have created a natural sounding audio experience which we hope customers will love.